All right, so here we got our driver's side and our passenger side front control arm. And here we're getting ready to do a extension on the ends here. Honestly, I should have probably put it a little bit farther back and beefed it up right here, but you know, we're gonna try it here. I saw someone on YouTube do this. I'm just winging it really, but got some 3/4 inch thick plate that I've obviously beveled off for penetration. And then what I've done here, or what I'm going to do here, is I'm gonna cut right here, just right below this circular mark on the casting. I'm gonna cut right there, and this is gonna get tacked in between, and then we're gonna end up joining both sides, all TIG welding it. And by doing that, it'll extend our control arm. I'm doing 2 inches here, which, who knows, I don't know. I just wanna give myself a little bit more room for angle after doing some test fitting, so that's what we're going to do. But I pulled off the lollipops. I have brand new polyurethane bushings for it. Nice rev shift bushings. And yeah, we're going to do this. But I'm gonna mark these out. And we're gonna cut them. And yeah, it's gonna go in there. There's gonna be a lot of filler metal. This is just basically the core structure piece that's going in between there, but they're 2 inches long here, 3/4 inches thick, roughly 1 1/8 inches wide. But it's gonna get weld on all sides, so it's gonna get quite a bit of beef put back into it. So yeah, here we go. All right, that's wrapping it up for this video. I am done with the control arms and lollipop bushings, or lollipops and their bushings. We are fully ready, at least on these control arms, to put these things in. But I'm tying this up. This is the end of this video. Next video should be about the same day, Sunday. I'm looking at Sunday next week. Front cross member, steering rack, Z3 steering rack, reinforcement plates, sway bar bushings, etc. I'm going to try to run a sway bar with this setup. Who knows how that'll go, but we're going to give that a try. I'm very, very, very happy with how this turned out. So I hope you guys like the video. I mean, it's just a little quick video. I want to get something out there for you guys, but I'm going to try to post a lot more often. I don't want to keep leaving you with these lengthy videos of me just talking. So I hope you guys like it. Like, subscribe, comment, whatever. Do whatever the YouTubers say. I don't know. I'm just doing this thing. So let's do that, and I will catch you in the next one. Thanks.